Hello, and welcome to the GameMaker. GameMaker is a program that allows you to build the games. In this tutorial video, you'll be introduced to the GameMaker interface and will explore the basic functionality of this program. As you may already notice, GameMaker has a familiar menu bar with File, Edit, Run, and Help options. We're going to explore these options deeply when we'll be building a game. GameMaker consists of two major panels, Editor panel and a Game panel. In Editor panel, we have 5 different tabs to set rules for game and sprites. Down here we have sprite images that can be dragged and dropped to the Game panel, so they will be added to the game. As you became familiar with the interface of the GameMaker, let's explore its functionality while building a simple game. Let's build a simple breakout game. In the Game tab, let's set the game properties. For the name, say My Breakout. For the description, my first game. We can set the width and height for the game and a background. We can choose light gray, or we can choose an image. For example, gradient background. Now, we need several sprites for the brick game. We need 4 walls, a paddle, a ball, and some bricks. Now, let's name all sprites we just introduced to the game. Click on the Sprite tab. Click on a ball, and let's name it Ball. We can set height and width for the ball, angle of rotation, and the speed. Let's add X and Y speed. Click Apply. Now let's do the same for other sprites. For the paddle, let's call it Paddle. For width, let's say 70, and for height, 15. Since the paddle will be moving only right and left, we should set only speed X. Apply. Now let's set the walls. Let's name it left border. And let's set the height for 700. Since the wall won't be moving, we shouldn't set any speed to it. Let's do the same for the right wall. Adjusting position may be tough, but you'll get familiar with it. Let's name it top border and set the width for 500. And last border, bottom border. Again with a width of 500. Oops. If you did a mistake like this, you can go Edit and undo. This will undo the last operation you did in the GameMaker. Now, let's position the bricks. Let's call this green brick and call this brown brick. Now, fun part starts. Click on Behavior. Here we should set behavior for all the sprites on the game panel. Let's start with the ball. Since we added the ball speed, we should add the motion to it. On event, we will do auto, and on action, we'll choose move. Then we click to add event action. This pair will be added to the behavior of the ball. Since ball should be staying inside the game panel, we should add a bounce method to it. Click on collision with left border, bounce, add, same for other borders. We should add the paddle too, as well as the bricks. Now, what should brick do when ball collides with the brick? Let's say collision with the ball. It should suicide, meaning that it should destroy itself. Same for the green brick. Collision with the ball, suicide. We want to be able to move the paddle ourselves, so we should click on paddle and click on select key from events. Then we should click left and select move left for action. Then again click right and select move right for action. Let's see how well this will go. Click on run, start game. So, this is a basic game.